Welcome to the Digital Safety Files mobile app, version 2.1. This short training will show you how to use the DSF app to complete your daily safety tasks quickly and easily. Whether you're a supervisor or an appointed responsible person, this app helps you stay compliant and save time on admin or from your phone. In this overview, we'll go step by step through everything you need to know, from logging in for the first time to setting up your profile and starting a new site on DSF. We'll also explore the main app dashboard, show how inspectors and auditors can access information instantly, and how to handle emergencies with one tap. To get started, download the DSF Digital Safety Files app. If you're using an iPhone, open the App Store and search for DSF Digital Safety Files. If you're on Android, open the Google Play Store and search for the same name. Look for the blue DSF logo, then tap Get or Install. Once installed, the DSF icon will appear on your home screen, ready to launch your digital safety journey. When you open the DSF app, enter your registered mobile number, the same number listed on your profile in the DSF admin portal. If you get an invalid number error, ask your office to log into the DSF admin portal and check that your number is correct, including the country code. Once they've updated it, you can try logging in again. Once your number is correct, tap Send OTP. You'll receive a one-time PIN, also called an OTP, via WhatsApp. This is your secure login code for the DSF app. Open your WhatsApp message and copy your DSF verification code by tapping on the Copy DSF OTP button. Never share this code with anyone, it's for your login only. Go back to the DSF app, paste or type your OTP into the blocks, and tap Submit OTP. When you first log in, you'll land on the master file page. This page isn't your working site, it's only the default view for new users. To open the correct site you're working on, tap the menu icon, also known as the burger bar, in the top left corner of your screen. From there, you can select the site you are going to work on, or the one you're currently working at. After tapping the menu icon, you'll see a list of all the sites or projects you've been added to. Simply tap on the site name you're going to work on, the app will automatically switch and open that site's safety file and dashboard. If you don't see the site you need, contact your office. They'll need to log into the DSF admin portal and add you to that specific site before it becomes visible in your app. Also make sure you've been assigned the correct legal appointments for that site. This ensures you can see and complete the tasks and checklists you're responsible for. The DSF app helps you complete your safety tasks quickly and easily. Remember, only responsible, appointed staff will receive tasks. To receive tasks, your name must be listed under the site-specific safety file and you must have the correct legal appointment. Access all your important safety documents directly from your phone, fast, simple, and always up to date. Before work begins on any site, every employee and contractor must complete the site induction. When you log into a new site for the first time, a pop-up reminder will appear. Tap Do Now to start your induction. Once you've viewed all the slides in your induction, the system will ask you to sign to confirm that you've completed it, but before you can sign, you'll first need to set up your digital signature. This ensures your sign-off is legally compliant in terms of the Electronic Communications and Transactions Act. You can also set up or change your digital signature from your profile at any time. To open your profile, tap the profile icon at the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. This will take you straight to your personal profile page. To set up your digital signature, you can simply type your name into the box and tap Generate. The system will automatically create a professional digital signature for you. Make sure it's clear and correct before submitting. You can also create your signature by drawing it directly on the screen with your finger. Use the signature pad to sign naturally, just like you would on paper. If you make a mistake, tap Clear to try again, and when you're happy with your signature, tap Submit to save it. Before the site can officially start, all required tasks must be completed. Tap on the task icon at the bottom of your screen to view your outstanding items. Your goal is to keep it on 0, meaning all inductions, signatures, and uploads are done and your site is fully compliant. You'll see your site appointment agreements. These must be signed before work begins. Tap Start next to each appointment, read the document, and sign it using your digital signature. Next, you'll be required to sign your company's safety policies and procedures, like the Health and Safety Plan, Emergency Procedure, and other key policies. These documents make sure you understand your company's safety standards and legal responsibilities. Tap Start, review each document, and sign them one by one. You may also be asked to upload important compliance documents, like your ID, medical fitness certificate, and any required training certificates. Tap Start next to each item and upload a clear photo or PDF of the document. Once everything is submitted, your task count will return to 0, showing that your site file is complete and compliant. Now, let's go through the rest of the DSF app and see how you'll use it each day on site. Let's start with emergencies. In an emergency, every second counts. The DSF app gives you instant access to emergency numbers. Just tap the red emergency icon. You'll see a list of numbers you can click to call immediately. No need to search, it's all in your hand, ready when you need it. Need to get hold of someone quickly? The Management Contacts button gives you instant access to key people linked to the site, like your construction manager, CEO and project manager. Just tap their name to call or email them directly from your phone. No searching, no delays, DSF keeps communication simple and fast. The supervisor will start each workday by tapping the Daily Task Plan button. Only supervisors with the Daily Task Plan Coordinator appointment will be able to complete a DTP. Select the tasks plan for today, all tools, equipment, vehicles, mobile plant and the chemicals in use, and the workers on site. Make sure your start and end times are correct, and then submit your DTP. Once submitted, this automatically triggers the DSTI and required checklists. See these tasks appear in your task list. Any employee can also view all previous DTP records, and the supervisor can edit them directly in this section. After completing your daily task plan, your new tasks will appear in the Tasks section at the bottom of your screen. Tap the Tasks icon to view and complete your assigned activities, like checklists, toolbox talks, PTOs, and more. Each task is linked to your legal appointment and responsibilities, so make sure you complete them on time to keep your site compliant. The goal is to always keep your task list on 0, meaning all your safety tasks are up to date and your site is fully compliant. The supervisor must complete the daily safe task instruction every morning before work starts. Tap the DSTI button to open it. This form is also known as a continuous risk assessment, mini risk assessment, or job hazard or loss analysis. It helps identify and control risks before the work begins. You can also use this section to view all DSTI records for your site. Use the Attendance button to view all workers selected in the daily task plan. You'll be able to check them in or out, adjust hours to match actual time on site, and keep accurate records for fatigue management and man hours. These records can be used as timesheets and help calculate lost time injury rates, all tracked automatically in DSF. Employee Database. This gives you quick access to all workers linked to the site, including their uploaded documents, training certificates, legal appointments, and compliance status. Use this to check if someone is legally appointed, trained, and allowed to do the job. Health and Safety Induction. Each worker, contractor, and visitor must view and sign the health and safety induction before working on site. You can also see all signed induction records here, ensuring everyone on site has been properly inducted. View all completed checklists, permits and audit records here. Responsible persons will receive tasks to complete checklists, issue permits, and perform audits as required, based on the work selected in the daily task plan. Do your weekly toolbox talks here. All completed records are automatically saved and can be viewed anytime for audits or reporting. The PTOs to help identify unsafe behaviors, poor techniques, or site conditions before they lead to injuries or incidents. All completed PTOs are saved for record keeping and follow-up actions. Tools and equipment. All tools and equipment listed on the site-specific DSF and selected in the daily task plan will display here. View compliance certificates, safety checklists, and inspection records for each item. Make sure equipment is kept up to date to remain compliant. Vehicles and mobile plant. All vehicles and mobile plant used to travel to and from site, or used on site, for example cherry pickers or cranes, must be listed on your DSF app. Checklists, licenses, compliance documents and service records must be up to date to remain compliant. All paint, cleaning chemicals and other site chemicals must be listed here. The full chemical register and safety data sheets, SDS, are uploaded and maintained by the DSF admin. Check this section before using any chemical to ensure safe handling. Incidents and accidents. Report all workplace incidents, including near misses, injuries or property damage here. This helps prevent future incidents and ensures proper investigation and follow-up. View company documents like your letter of good standing, public liability insurance, and all required business licenses and permits. Make sure these are always valid and not expired. Policies and procedures. View all signed health and safety policies and procedures, like your health and safety plan, emergency plan, and environmental waste management procedure. Keep up to date by checking these regularly. Risk assessments and safe work method statements. View all risk assessments and safe work standards or safe work method statements here. More commonly known as safe work procedures or safe operating procedures. These are quick guides to help you work safely and know the hazards and controls for each job. Organogram and appointments. View your site-specific organogram and all signed legal appointments here. This gives you an overview of who is responsible for what. You'll also be able to see which appointments are signed or outstanding. OHS Act and legislation. Access all relevant legal documents here, including OHS Act, regulations, national standards, labor law, all in one place for easy reference. Government authorities. Get assistance with local compliance. Contact details for Department of Labor, municipal officials, fire department and other local authorities are listed here. And that's it, you're now ready to use the DSF mobile app. Remember, the goal is simple: complete your tasks daily and keep your task list on 0. This ensures your site stays compliant, your paperwork stays up to date, and your team stays safe. This training was proudly digitized and simplified for you by Digital Safety Files. Welcome to the movement towards a smarter, cleaner, and paperless safety world. With DSF, compliance is simple, safety is smart, and administration is effortless. Thank you for being part of the future of safety with DSF Digital Safety Files.